Hey everybody, welcome back to Santa's Workshop. Hope you've had a wonderful Christmas and hope your new year started off great. Happy New Year's to everybody. And so we're coming on here right quick just to give you a little preview of what this coming year is probably going to hold. Santa's got a few goodies that he's bought over the last couple of weeks. None of the stuff has been sponsored or anything. So any of my reviews I give for the next year will be pretty much just my opinions on things. But we have got the F2 portable, so we're going to start learning that software for Xtool. I'm used to the Lightburn, so that'll be one thing that we'll be doing. The other thing is I've also got a flashforge AD5X 3D printer that I have started using, and I'm going to be learning that software as well. So along with that and getting ready for festivals and shows, it should be a pretty interesting year. So hope you guys can come along. I've been kind of busy, as everybody knows. Santa season went really well. Had a lot of kids. I'll tell you the funniest one though was had one child asked me for a possum. You never know what a child's going to ask you for. So I hope you guys tune in for the coming year. I'll get the first video out as quickly as I can as we start this new adventure. So Happy New Year, as I said a few minutes ago, and hope to see everybody real soon.